know, for those who can't take it, this might not be for you. I just woke up.
Little nap.
We are going to Lake Balanan in Siaton.
This road.
I'm sure there's 100 videos about this place. I just want to check out the landscaping and see how beautiful it is. It's going to be my first time. It is very bukid out here. But I did see a house on the side of a hill. That was pretty cool.
On a slant.
On a slant. I gotta take a picture of that. Oh, this guy's probably a local business person right here. This guy, right?
Elementary school.
No, this guy's out there.
Oh.
This is elementary school here. I do not know how far in we have to go, but it's pretty inside there.
We're 8 kilometers out.
Okay, we'll see how the lake looks. That's what I want right there.
Oh, it's
a scraper.
Can you stop right here, Nathan? I could take a...
So there's many ways to get up here in Lake Balanan with your personal car. I suggest you have a 4x4. And I mean, as a lower car, like a Honda Fit I used to have, I think would be, it'll make it up here.
Yeah, it'll get beat.
It'll get beat up, but definitely a 4x4. But you definitely can always ride a motorcycle up here carefully. Or the mode of transport for many people, the habo-habo. So
Trying to make it up here.
we're about 4 kilometers going to the lake. All I can say is do not come up here with a hatchback.
Off-road.
It's definitely off-road. It has sections of cement as well as sections of rock. But the good thing is that there's no dips or like really you use boulders you have to cross. There are just, it's like a paved road. It looks as if it's been tampered down, so it's a little bit flat. So at least you have that, but be prepared for it to be a bit bumpy.
Off-road
But
adventure.
I am sure it's going to be worth it. I'm sure it's going to be worth it when we go up to the lake. But this place is very beautiful, as you can see.
Look at flowers. They planted all these flowers.
Yeah,
This is a very beautiful place, you know. As you can see, look at the mountains there. So these are the facility rates.
Nice picture there.
Some paddle boats. Who's going zip lining? I'm not.
Zip lining. Oh my god. I think I am.
They'd probably say, okay, do not enter.
It might be a big circle, those two roads that meet
I mean,
up.
the whole thing is a circle. It's a lake. We're going around the entire lake.
For the money, for $1, you enjoy A slice of paradise.
Well, this is the jungle, so this is not really paradise.
Slice of the jungle.
This is the jungle. We're in the jungle here.
This is I like this. I want to live here. I will live here.
Muni pengog balanan nang. Salamat. Nay, unsay na diha nang? Isda?
That's very beautiful right here.
If they don't know yet, we're in the water right now. We're kind of in the water.
We are in the water. That's beautiful. We are going up the hill.
Alright, I think we might have to park up here. One of two. Are we eating first?
Saan na dong?
Unsa na dong? Oh, masya gulang.
Picture ko may alayon.
Maak na?
Oh,
Maak na?
Diri sa light tong alayon.
Maak na?
Dili dapat dong.
Dapit diri dong. Ila man na siya dong.
Hello. This is a faded map of Lake Balanan.
No, that's a faded map of
Welcome to Lake.
I'm sorry, the faded map of Negros. I am
we're
here.
We're from here, Baco.
Oh, we went there already the other day. In the sandbar.
We've been here before.
I've been there, Canlaon. We've been there.
Another tadiri.
So we are Lake Balanan.
Balanan.
Balanan. Very beautiful, as you can see. Right. There is a very cool, I believe there's like a balate tree, like in Sikihor over there. Very peaceful here. Very beautiful natural sights here. I love the rocks. I love the water. Yeah, very beautiful place, man. Very serene, as you can see. Super serene. I like it. We are going to go to one of the piers to, I don't know, to ride to another portion of the lake.
We are the champions. We are going to
Ooh.
Wala dati. Pagkatong natong gagawin natin na ito. Dati latay mo na dati. Oo, atong dito. Nato pagka dito dati. O, turang tree house. Turang tree house.
The tree house over there.
Turang tree house.
Wow. Huh? As you can see, there's no hunting of wildlife here.
Yes.
What wildlife is here?
No hunting of wildlife.
What's a wildlife now today?
Wildlife. Life wild. Hunting wildlife. Ilan tayo kay Kupo?
So we have to go up these steps. went the wrong way, so we are going hopefully the right way. By the edge of the water. As you can see, my steps. Makeshift path.
Pero pinlit kay katong naman Atian, nakita ko sa Atian. Nga?
Go to the water.
Kuampit na.
The raft's probably gonna come back.
Siguro lang.
I believe this is the pier.
Oh my God.
So
Put your phone in your pocket.
now, because we went across the river, so we're gonna do like this.
Sige, now let's go. We're not coming back here.
Look at that. Girls are falling. Oh my God.
Everybody in the middle. Everybody in the
Okay,
middle.
hold on.
Okay. Hold on.
Hold on.
Pwede mo po po?
Let me get off that side.
Hold on.
Lamig lagi. I am taking video.
We are working to get across.
We are.
Ah, look at my little brother there. Woo.
Watch out, we're gonna get wet.
Because Iron Man.
Working it out.
Iron Man.
Iron Man is here.
Working it out.
So my brother pulled this raft looking thing. Pretty cool. Where? This is the other side of the lake. So we're going up the trek. I don't know how far the trek on around the lake is, but having fun, hanging out with family. There's Raymar in the back. A lot of things happening here, man. The place is very beautiful. Very beautiful. My sister's back there. Once again, this is Lake Balanan in Siaton. Everybody's like 50 pesos for adults, 25 for kids. It's a nice walk, nothing crazy. The sights are beautiful. You should check it. You should definitely check it out.
So let's get moving. Let's get grooving. And let's move. Come on, let's move. 200.
So we are halfway there. I believe this is like water probably hits us at one point.
We're gonna hit the waterfall.
Yeah.
This is where I don't remember the names.
But yeah, everybody's pretty much tired except my brother and I because it is what it is.
What's up?
You know. So we took the longer route back to the restaurant by foot. I timed it. It'll probably take you about, I'm gonna say 2 hours at a moderate pace. That's not doing the waterfall, obviously. Yeah, but yeah, if you guys do this, you can be prepared to walk for at least 2 hours, up and down, up and down. There's some sketchy spots, but other than that, it's a nice walk. At the moment right now, there's a really good breeze coming in, so it's not unbearable. But I guess if it was really hot, you know, for those who can't take it, this might not be for you. So we should be closing in on the beginning of our starting point soon.